import and export with Excel on monday.com. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import and export your data from your Excel into your monday.com as a board. So let's get into it. If you previously used Excel and if your Excel has a lot of data that you want to export to your and import into your monday.com, you can do that very easily. And if you want to make a whole board of that data, it is very easy as well. So what you need to do first of all is you need to click on this option right here, which is basically represents your profile. Click on that, and here you will find an option to import data. Click on this import data option and you will find all the items from which you can import the data. So you have your Google Sheets, Trello, Asana, and Excel as well. So what you need to do is click on this option of Excel, and you can drag the file or here or drop it, or you can just go onto your browser and find an Excel file that you want to add into your monday.com. So I don't have any Excel file right now. Okay, so I found a file and I added it, and here you can see I have two options. You can have your file to customize your new board, or you can just go on and replace this file. So first of all, this will become the column titles. These are going to be the column titles. If you want to change it, you can just go on. I'm just going to go with this one. Okay, click on next. And then this is going to become the first row of each item. Like this will be the basically heading of all the rows, and these are all the advancing rows. So these are going to be your main items. I'm just going to, let's say, next. And then you have the option of you can change the functionality of each of these columns. Like this is a text column right now. I can change it to status column, and I can make it to like 10% completed or 20% completed or something like that. I can change it to status column as well, and you can leave some things to text column as well. It's completely up to you. After you're done with anything, what you can do is you can just going to click on this option which says create board, and your board will be created. So this is how basically you can import your Excel data into your monday.com. I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.